I heard a podcast this morning by Heather Cox Richardson, and she was encouraging us to think about what could go right. I love that. What can go right? So many times we're focused on what's wrong and what we have to do to fix it and how to make it better and strive. And I recalled after listening to that, one of these personal growth seminars I've gone to over so many years. And one of them was to just shout to each other face to face, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? And it's a fun exercise to do with a partner or just into the mirror for yourself, just to say, what do you want? And the people would come up with such extraordinary, wants and desires and outcomes. And the idea isn't to judge what you want, it's to actually claim it and to just have fun with it and to receive it and just have a fun time. What could go right? And I think this is something that we really need to put our minds and hearts to now, because when we're focused on what can go right and we're choosing what we want, it's going to make a huge difference in our outcomes. And I encourage us all to keep trying it and do it again. What do you want? And tell yourself and tell each other, what do you want? And that's what we're aiming toward. Not what we don't have or what we can't see or what's wrong. What do you want? And let's go toward that. Try it.